In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a powerful Bible study question generator for small groups and personal devotionals. Let's get started. First, I head over to ChatGPT. I have a detailed system prompt ready in a text document that defines the specific role I want the AI to play. A Bible study question generator for an adult community setting. I copy this entire instruction set, paste it into the message box, and hit send. You can see ChatGPT acknowledging its new role and outlining exactly how it will structure its responses, moving from observation and interpretation to practical application and personal reflection. It even offers design principles to ensure the questions remain anchored in Scripture while staying accessible for all maturity levels. Now that the AI understands the framework, I'll provide a specific passage to work with. I go back to my notes and copy a request for John chapter 15, verses 1 through 17, focusing on the metaphor of the true vine. After I paste this into the chat and send it, the AI immediately generates a complete study guide. As I scroll through, you can see how it categorizes the questions, starting with observation to establish the facts of the text, then moving into deeper interpretation and life application. I want to make these questions even more useful for a group leader, so I'm going to ask for an enhancement. I copy a prompt that instructs ChatGPT to take those application questions and add follow-up questions, facilitator notes, and direct scripture connections. Once I paste and send that, the results are much more detailed. Now, for every question, I have a strategic follow-up to help the group go deeper and a facilitator note that provides tips on how to guide the conversation if it gets stuck. Next, let's see how it handles a longer narrative. I copy a prompt for the story of Joseph in Genesis, covering his betrayal, his time in prison, and his rise to power. I paste it into the window and hit enter. ChatGPT quickly produces a comprehensive set of questions that help the group explore complex themes like providence and forgiveness. I especially like the one-sentence notes included after each question that explain the specific goal or insight the question is designed to draw out. Finally, I'll show you how to generate a personal study plan. I copy a prompt for a 5-day personal devotional based on the Sermon on the Mount in Matthew chapters 5 through 7. After pasting this in, the AI builds a day-by-day guide. Each day includes a specific reading, a short devotional thought to set the context, reflection questions for personal growth, and a prayer prompt to finish the session. This is an incredible way to save time on preparation while ensuring your study remains thoughtful and deeply rooted in the biblical text. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.